Hi guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we will work on Mini Cooper. We have a code is the 5E5S. So many people doesn't know what kind of code it is. So I have a code before that. I fixed the problem with the brakes or reset it. So we fixed the problem before like a year ago, and now we have this code come back again. So pretty much you have no ABS lights on, but the problem when you drive, you have no horsepower. So I take it to my friend, he diagnosed the car, so he give me the list. Let's go guys to scan the car one more time and we'll see what's going on to the car, and we told you what the list what you have to be fixed on the car to resolve this problem. Stay with me guys, we'll go from there. Okay guys, so now we scan the code for the ABS. Pretty much I have no ABS lights on, but the car has a code. Even where I drive the car, you see there's no code, but we have to go up here and go to ABS, enter, and yes, read it. So the problem is ABS throw a code, so it's faulty error code says. So this code here, pretty much a lot of people don't know what kind of code it is, and when I go to the place it got diagnosed for me. So we're gonna reset the code. If the light come back again, I gotta show you what's supposed to be done in the car, what the problem is gonna be causing you for that. So I reset the code. It says ABS lights on, gone, it's good. So guys, want to take it to diagnosed. So this is the shop, what did they give me, what the problem is gonna be causing you for that one. Okay, for first thing it says is the wheel speed sensor. How you can see. Second thing you do, put the scan tools, reset the code. If the light come back again, is gonna be the wheel speed sensor, the one on the tires. And if they change the speed sensor, the wheel speed sensor, and the light stay there, probably do you have the ABS control module bad, faulty. So this was the code guys. I know there's a lot of people they keep, because when I'm driving the car, I feel the car like the car doesn't want to drive, and yeah, when I'm driving the car, I feel the car, it doesn't have a power. It's like the speed doesn't want to go more. So the code is the wheel speed sensor. So because I see a lot of people, they put their own stuff for this, especially for this code here, and they put a lot of stuff like wrong. My last video, I put the same video because I changed last time the brakes, and the same code come in, and people says some parts have to be changed, and for the timing chain, for the camshafts, like this part here, is wrong. It's not the one. Be careful guys, you gotta just waste your money. It's just like me, I buy this part, but it's not the problem. The problem is last time I changed the brakes and I didn't change the have to reset the lights after I changed the brakes, because the sensor, all that, I changed all the sensors, and then I didn't reset the lights. So I reset them, so everything is fine. Now the light come back again like after 1 year. So the problem now I have, even I changed my speed sensor, the wheel speed, I changed the transmission speed sensor before the problem is fixed. Now instead the wheel speed sensor, I changed them, but I think I have to buy OEM parts, because it's Mini Cooper BMW engine. I have to use dealer parts or use OEM parts. I gotta change all of them. I gotta see what's going on, and for another video we'll make it if I fix the problem. So for now I reset the code, but if you reset the code and the light come back again, I mean 100% you have to change the sensors. So guys, please like the video, and we'll see you to another video guys. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.